Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text inside your Flutter app. So here I have just created a Flutter app and I have refactored this my homepage widget. So here you can see my homepage widget to just display a text. There is something called scaffold and safe area as well, which I will explain you guys in future video, but this video is only about text. The safe area is basically like we don't want our text to be cropped up by that status bar where you see the battery and network, those kind of stuff, time, those kind of stuff. So here so first I will show you the output. So this is the output for Android, this is the output for iOS. So let's see how to do it. So first you just have to import the text widget. Here you can pass whatever you feel like, whatever text you want to display. Also I'm using Google Fonts, so if you want to import fonts you can just go to pubspec.yaml and import Google Fonts. Just paste this line and just do Ctrl S, it will automatically import it for you. And here you can see I'm using Pacifico, and you can display a font weight, font size, a color. So there are different ways to define a color. If it is a system color which is already available in Flutter, you can directly write something like color dot black, color dot red, color dot blue, all that kind of stuff. But if you want to have a customized color, if you have a hex for that particular color, you can also use something like this. So you can pass background color to something like this. So yeah, that's it. Also one more thing which I want to tell you, once you install pubspec.yaml like Google Fonts, you also have to open your terminal, cd to your iOS directory and run pod install. Otherwise you might face some issue while running it on iOS. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.